Bonjour, this is Denis à la Terre, and welcome to another Atelier IFS video. In this tutorial on the Epson video projector, which I will call VPI, we will discover the possibilities of this VPI, interactive video projector, in particular the features of the annotation in interactive modes. Without waiting, let's dive into it. First of all, make sure that no documents are placed on the surface of the board illuminated by the projector. Also, remove all magnets that may affect the calibration of the unit. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a first toolbar whose main functions are to adjust the volume of the speakers, to stop the projector, and to put it into standby mode. These commands are accessible by the remote control that we will discover. This remote control also allows you to change the parameters of the VPI if necessary. Let's take a look at the Whiteboard annotation mode. It is, of course, possible to write on the whiteboard with whiteboard markers. If a color is selected, you will have two traces on the board. To avoid this, select the eraser. This will allow you to erase and write again with the markers. Let's use the finger to write. You have different colors at your disposal and different line width. You can undo the last action, but only the last one, and redo it. At the bottom of the toolbar, there is an icon to erase all annotations. This icon to change the wallpaper. Black background, lines, or grid. Let's look at the bottom of the toolbar. You can see a finger with the chosen color under. These are the two pens from the Epson VPI. Equipped with batteries, you can select a different color for each of them. Choose blue for one, red for the other, and black for the finger. This way, 3 people can use the board at the same time. So, we were in Whiteboard annotation mode. Let's switch to PC annotation mode by clicking on this icon. The document on your computer appears on the screen. The options are the same as in Whiteboard annotation mode. You also have a highlighter tool. After these two annotation modes, here is the PC interactivity mode with the icon representing a computer and a mouse. From now on, your finger is the computer mouse. You can shrink your document, move it, close it, open another one, go on the internet, and use interactive applications such as workspace software. Voila! I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. I invite you to contact me if you have any questions or need help. In the meantime, don't forget to take a look at the other workshops and trainings available for you through the Centre Local d'e-Learning et de Formation of the IFS. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in another video.